Yeah, I'm really honored to not just be here for the catch. I get to be here for the whole week, and hopefully for a couple more tournaments throughout the year. I got a great relationship with Ethan and Ken and Blaine and all the guys on the boat, and such a fun boat to be around. These guys are awesome. They work really hard, but they like to have a good time, and it's right down my alley.
First time I saw you, I knew you was gonna be trouble. Then you turned and walked away, and I saw them bubbles. Right then and there, I knew you was gonna be the situation. You look as fine as hey! Come on, let's go! Let's go, man! Come on, wanna take it straight to the dome. I feel infatuation.
Myself insane.
On top, don't ever stop. Let it build up, then let it drop.
Shit.
Just let me be a lollipop. Taste that sweet sensation. Girl, I'm trying to tell you now that your situation.
So we just finished the first tournament, which was the Key West Classic for the SFC. Fishing wasn't very good. It was very slow for everybody. We managed to get caught 2 sails the first day, and it was terrible fishing. You know, we just got lucky catching those 2. Second day, went back to the same spot, found an edge, some east current, caught 2 real quick, and that was it for the rest of the day. Didn't really have much going on, and then running out this morning, went out there and ended up losing our steering before lines in, so screwed us the day. We couldn't go anywhere, couldn't really move. We just kind of bump trolled around. You know, saw a couple sails on the surface that we weren't able to get to in time, and then we got one at the end of the day. So we ended up finishing in 4th place, but you know, just tied for 3rd, 4th on time. But we'll make up for it towards the end of the season.
Hope he's paid.
He's paid. Here you go.
He's getting paid.
This thing is huge.
Shut on the AC.
He's all right on. Ready? Ask him. Oh, CJ's got to get a 6-shot.
This will be some behind the scenes. Oh,
That is so cool. Whole side of the post. There you go.